Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the search section on Bluesky on your account easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application, and now on these three lines up here, click on it, and then here you will find the search up here, and then as you see here you find the trending videos or the trending search. So you can just click here and search whatever you want. That's it. That's how to search on Bluesky easy and quickly, or how to find a search section. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.